Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with freshly washed, towel-squeezed hair that's about 70–80% dry so the product spreads evenly. Once done, pump 1-2 for short hair or 3-4 for long or very thick hair. Rub the formula between your palms to emulsify. You apply it from mid-lengths to ends. Make sure to skirt the roots to prevent buildup. You're creating an even base that protects and detangles, and that sets the stage for styling with heat or air drying. You now focus on distribution. Section hair if it's thick, using horizontal 1 to 2 inch parts so you don't miss strands. Once done, run a wide tooth comb or your fingers through each section to detangle and ensure the product coats fibers evenly. Make sure to work the leave-in into porous ends and frizz-prone zones where moisture escapes most. You're combining mechanical smoothing and product slip to protect cuticles, reduce breakage, and create a uniform. You finish by styling as desired. Blow dry on medium heat or let hair air dry. Make sure to use a separate heat protectant if you'll apply very high temperatures. Once dry, smooth one light pump over dry ends for added shine and frizz control. Avoid reapplying near roots. If hair looks weighed down or greasy, reduce the initial amount next time or confine application to mid-lengths and ends. If buildup persists, clarify with a gentle clarifying shampoo once every 1–2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.